Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In last video, we are discussed about equidism lemma. Now we are going to discuss about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. See definition first. Every composite number can be expressed as product of prime in a Q. Means, see here. See, every composite number can be expressed as product of prime numbers. First leave this. Next, first take an example. You will understand clearly. Take example 420. 420 can be written as C. Write LCM form. 2 into 210 and 2 3 so 420 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 420 can be written as this. Means we can written as this as 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. Now check this. X equal to P1 power L P into P2 power M into P3 power N and so on, where P1, P2, P3 are prime numbers. See, this is X. Here X is nothing but 420. Here X is nothing but 420. P1, P2, P3 are nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7. Not this 72. 7. P1, P2, P3 are nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7. LMN, see, LMN are natural numbers. Means 2, nothing power means take as 1. This is LMN. So these are natural numbers. This is about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is very simple, and let us understand clearly again. Every composite number can be expressed as product of prime numbers. Means this is a composite number. Product of prime numbers is P1, P2, P3 are prime numbers. LM are powers. Powers is nothing but natural number. Powers can be written as in the form of natural number. Here example 420 is a composite number. 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. 2, 1, 1, 1 are natural numbers. This is about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. By this theorem we can find LCM and HCF. Let us see example of LCM and HCF. First write HCF. HCF of 60 and 75. See, first 60 can be written as 2 into 30 means 230, again 2 15 times, 3 5 times means 2 into 2 means 2 square into 3 into 5. Again 75. 75. 75 can be written as 5 into 5 ones are 5, 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 into 3, 3 into 1. 75 can be written as 2 5s, so 5 square into 3. Now HCF for this is, H means highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor, means we want to take here least powers. HCF is both first common factors, 3 5, only 3 and 5 are common factors. Which is least, that we want to do. 3 power 1, 3 power 1, so we will take 3 power 1. 5 square and 5, which is least power? 5 is 5. 5 is least, so we will take as 5. HCF is 3 5s are nothing but 15. HCF of 60 and 75 is 15. 15 is HCF for 60 and 75. LCM for same, this means least common multiple. We take highest powers. First see least highest powers, no, we want to take highest powers. 5 square, which is highest? LCM. Highest is 5 square. Then 3 power 1, 3 power 1, take 3. Here 2 not there, means 2 power 0 we can return. 2 power 0, 2 square. 2 square is highest into 2 square. 5 square is nothing but 25 into 3 into 4, that is 300. LCM for this is 300. This is complete information about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. And we can find one important thing here. What is that important thing? Means nothing but product of, P means product of two numbers. Two numbers means nothing but here 60 and 75. Means he take 60 into 75 equal to HCF of their HCF into their LCM. HCF is 15 into 300. This both values equal. This is one important thing we want to notice here. This is nothing. Thanks for watching this video. We don't want any subscribers and likes, just views. Please understand the concept. Thank you.